Hello everyone, welcome to Empower IAS. Today we will learn a very important topic related to CSAT and a very important concept, and with the help of that concept we can solve difficult questions also. Okay, so what is the topic now? Topic is speed, time and distance. Speed, time and distance, and in this topic the concept will be related to average speed. Average speed means in Hindi औसत चाल. Average speed क्या होता है? We will learn about this, and this is a sub topic related to speed, time and distance. Okay, then first of all we will see what is speed. How can we define speed? Speed, speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. You can say S is equal to D upon T. Okay, S is equal to D upon T. If T is equal to 1 unit, if T became 1 unit, then S will be equivalent to D. Means speed will be equal to distance, or you can say distance will be equal to speed if value of time will be 1 unit. It means we can define the speed as distance traveled per unit time. Distance traveled per unit time is known as speed. For example, suppose you are traveling, you are covering 200 meter distance in 1 second. Suppose, for example, you are covering 200 meters distance in 1 second, then 200 meter per second will be your speed. If you are covering 5 kilometer distance in 1 hour, then your speed will be 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, if you are covering a distance of 500 meter in 1 minute, then your speed will be 500 meter per minute. Okay, this is the definition of speed. Now what is the average speed? How can you define average speed? Suppose there are 2 points, point number 1 and point number 2B. Distance between A and B is D. Distance between A and B is D. Okay, and you are traveling from A to B. You are traveling from A to B at the speed of x kilometer per hour or meter per second, and returning back from B to A at the speed of y kilometer per hour or meter per second. This is the speed through x is the speed through which you are covering the distance from A to B, and y is the speed of covering distance from B to A. It means in both the condition you are covering the same distance D. So time will be, what is time? Time will be distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed. If you are covering D distance with a speed of x and time is t1, then time will be what? Time will be t1 will be D upon x, and here you are covering the same distance D with the speed of y, then value of t2, this is time t2, and value of t2 will be D upon y. Okay, Now what is the average speed? Average speed means average speed. Average speed means total distance covered divided by total time taken. Total distance traveled or covered by total time taken. Clear है सबको? Now total distance means आने और जाने का total distance. From A to B distance is d and from B to A distance is also d. So total distance will be 2d. And total time, what will be the total time? Total time is t1 plus t2. Here t1 plus t2. 2d divided by t1 plus t2. Now average speed will be what? 2d divided by value of t1 is d upon x and value of t2 is d upon y. Okay, if you take common d from denominator, you will get 2d divided by d into 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Clear? Again you can cancel out d from d. You can cancel out d from d. You will get here in numerator there will be 2, and if you take LCM of 1 upon x plus 1 upon y, then what you will get? 2x divided by x plus y, and here there is 2. Now if fraction is in such type, like a upon b by c, then what is the proper fraction of this? Proper fraction will be a upon b into c, like this. Okay, now this ratio is also like this ratio, a upon b upon c. So this will be converted into 2xy divided by x plus y, 2xy. Okay, here x plus y divided by x into y will be, and now if you simplify this you will get 2xy divided by x plus y, and this will be the average speed. Okay, and this will be the average speed. Now how can you apply this trick in the questions? Suppose there is a question that a person is going from Delhi to Allahabad. A person is going from Delhi to Allahabad at the speed of 60 km per hour. A person is going from Delhi to Allahabad at 6 km per hour and returns at 40 km per hour. Okay, find his average speed. Find his average speed. Then what will be the average speed? Now there it is very simple question. Okay, value of x, this is the value of x, this is the value of x, and this is the value of y. Now you can directly put these values in the derived trick. So average speed will be what? Average speed will be, 2 into xy divided by x plus y. 2 into x into y divided by x plus y, and 2 into 60 into 40 divided by 60 plus 40. Then the simplified value of this will be 2 into 60 into 40 divided by 100. Okay. Now you can simplify this 0, 0, 0 and 0. You will get 48 kilometer per hour your average speed. Then your average speed will be 48 kilometer per hour. Now this is the question. Okay, suppose you forgot this trick. Suppose you forgot this trick, then how would you solve this question? Okay, now this trick is only for 2 speed, and in which case it will be applicable if distance travel is equal. If you are traveling 100 kilometer at the speed of x and again 100 kilometer at the speed of y, only then you will be able to use this trick. And if it is being asked that what is the average speed. Okay. Now if there are 3 speed and 3 equal distances, then how can you find average speed? Now suppose from A to B you are moving with x speed, and from B to C you are moving with y speed, and from C to D you are moving with speed of z, maybe in meter per second or kilometer per hour. Okay, but here it is provided that distance is equal. Distance is equal. This distance is also d. Distance is equal, and this is also distance is equal. Now there are 3 different speed, but distances are equal, and you are being asked that you have to find out what? Average speed. Average speed. You have to find out what will be the average speed. Now how can you find out? Then average speed will be what? 3 into xy z divided by xy plus yz plus zx. This is the trick, and this trick is also applicable only when distances are equal and you are being asked that what find the average speed. Okay. Now to simplify this data will be very difficult for you. Okay, so I am just telling you another method which is very simple, less time taken. And how will we solve this question? Suppose this is the question and we use this trick and solve and got our answer, but we will solve this question through different method without using this trick, only using LCM, only finding LCM of 40 and 60 we will find average speed. Now how? Remember data is 60 kilometer per hour and 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, data is 60 kilometer per hour and distance is covered d, and 40 kilometer per hour and distance is also covered d, and we have to find out average speed. Okay, we have to find out average speed. Suppose then how can we find? We will just take LCM of these speed. Okay, LCM of these speed. Now LCM of 60 and 40 will be what? Look here, there is 0 and 0. So forget about 0. We will consider only 6 and 4, and LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. So here there will be 12. and we will put 0 here because we didn't count 0 while finding the LCM. Okay, so LCM of 60 and 40 will be 120. Okay, 120. Now speeds are same d and d, then distance are equal, so ratio of distance will be what? 1:1. Ratio of distances will be 1:1 because distances are equal and ratio of distances will be 1:1. Clear hai? Now we will divide this LCM by 60 and it will go in 2 times. Okay. Now when we divide 120 by 40, it will go in 3 times. Okay. Now with the 60 kilometer, we are just covering a distance of 1 unit. Okay, so we will divide this by 1. Okay, again we are covering d distance, means this ratio by 40 kilometer. It means we will multiply 3 by this one. Okay, then total value will be 3 and here total value will be 2. Now what will be the sum? Sum will be 5 unit. Okay, sum will be total 5 unit. Is that clear? Now we will multiply here what? Sum of distances. Sum of distances means sum of ratios of distances. Okay, and divide by this 5 divides by this. So total value will be 120 into 2 divided by 5, and if you divide 120 by 5, then it will go in 24 times. Now 24 into 2, you will get 48 means 48 kilometer per hour. 48 kilometer per hour will be your average speed. Clear hai? Now this approach initially I think it would be looking like to you very absurd, very difficult to understand. Okay, but remember, this approach can be used. That trick will be only used if there is 2 speed and distances are equal. Only then that trick will be used. Okay, but this approach can be used anywhere, whether speeds are equal or not, whether distances are equal or not, whether 2 distances or 3 distances or 4 distances or 5 distances, any distances, you can apply this approach in different questions. Okay, now look, suppose you are covering a distance of 100 kilometer. You are covering a distance of 100 kilometer at the speed of 75 kilometer per hour. You are covering a distance of 100 kilometer at the speed of 75 kilometer per hour, and you are returning, or you are covering another 100 kilometer at the speed of 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, on find average speed in whole journey. Find the average speed in whole journey. Okay, then how can we find? We will divide. First of all, we will have to find out T1, value of T1. We can get this by 75. 100 by 75, and value of T2 we will get 100 divided by 50. Okay, and we will use that basic trick. Okay, or we can easily use this information, and trick will be average speed is equal to 2xy divided by x plus y. This trick can be used if there are two speeds and distances are equal. If there are three speeds and distances are equal, then we can use 3xyz divided by xy plus yz plus zx. Then this trick can be used. But the approach which we are discussing here is applicable in this situation also, in this situation also, and also where distances are not equal. Okay, so this approach is very important as far as such type questions based on average speed is concerned. So just try to learn this method and apply the questions like this. Okay, so here 75 and 50. What will be the LCM of 75 and 50? 75 and 50, it will be 150. Now ratio of distance will be 100 is to 100, it means 1 is to 1. Ratio of distances will be 1 is to 1. Okay, now we will divide 150 by 75, it will go in 2 times, and when we will divide 150 by 50, it will go in 3 times. Okay, then which number we have to multiply this LCM? Sum of ratio. Then sum of ratio is 2. Here sum of ratio is 2. So we will multiply sum of ratio with LCM, and here 1. Here this value will be multiplied here 1, and this value will be multiplied here 1. Okay, then this will be 3 and this will be 2. Now total value of this, total sum will be 5 unit. Okay, 5 unit. Then we will divide this multiplication by 5. Then what will be the average speed? 5 3 ja 150, 5 3 ja 15, means 30 times, it will go in 30 times. Now answer will be 60 kilometer per hour. 60 kilometer per hour. If you can also find this answer using this trick, but it is better to use this approach while finding question based on average speed. Suppose if distances are not equal, suppose you are covering a 5 kilometer distance at the rate of 30 kilometer per hour. Suppose you are covering a distance of 5 kilometer at the speed of 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, and next 10 kilometer at the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, and next 10 kilometer at the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, and last 35 kilometer at 60 kilometer per hour, and last 35 kilometer at 60 kilometer per hour, and we have to find out average speed. And we have to find out what will be the average speed. Now again understand what is the question. You are covering 5 kilometer distance at the rate of 30 kilometer per hour, and 10 kilometer distance at 40 kilometer per hour, and 35 kilometer distance at 60 kilometer per hour. Clear hai? Now we have to find out average speed during whole journey. Then how can we find? We will use this LCM method to find out average speed. Now speeds are, speeds are 30, 40 and 60. 30, 40 and 60, and we will find out LCM of these numbers. So LCM of these numbers will again be what? 120. LCM of 30, 40 and 60 will be 120. How? Forget about 0. 3, 4 and there are number only 3, 4 and 6, and LCM of 3, 4 and 6 will be 12. Okay. Now ratio of speed 5 is to 10 is to 35. Now ratio of speed will be 1 is to 2 is to 7. Okay, 1 is to 2 is to 7. Now divide 120 by 30, it will go in 4 times. Okay, divide 120 by 40, it will go in 3 times, and divide again 120 by 60, it will go in 2 times. Now which number you have to multiply? 5 kilometer, distances of 5 kilometer you have covered with the speed of 30 kilometer. Okay, so ratio of this 5 kilometer is 1. So you have to multiply this by 1. Okay, now 10 kilometer distance is covered by 40 kilometer per hour. So ratio of this will be 2, and this will be multiplied by 2. And last 35 kilometer distance is covered at the speed of 60 kilometer per hour. So this will be multiplied by 7. So whole overall value will be 4, here 6 and here 14. So total value will be 24 unit. Total value will be 24 unit. Okay. Now this is 120 is the LCM. To which number you will multiply it? To which number you will multiply it? You will multiply it sum of ratio of distance. So sum of ratio of distance is 10 unit. Okay, sum of ratio of distance is 10 unit. Okay, so you have to just multiply this by 10 and divide it by 24. Okay, and if you divide 120 by 24, it will go in 5 times. It will go in 5 times. So value will be 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, this approach is useful whether your distances is equal or not, or whether there is 2 speed or 3 speeds or more than 3 speed. Any kind of question related to average speed will be easily solved using this approach, LCM method. Okay, so I hope you will be in a better position to apply this trick. So that's all for today. We will be meeting again in the next session. Till that, thank you so much.